Hello and welcome to my flipped classroom. This is video number 3 about modal verbs. Talking about possibility can be tricky sometimes. In some cases, it can be rather subjective. We think something is possible or not, depending on our perception, our opinion, or wishes. In the following 3 examples, you can see what I mean. In the first example, ask Fiona, she can find a solution. I know that Fiona has solved other people's problems so far. In the second, ask Fiona, she may find a solution. I think the problem is difficult, but asking Fiona is a possibility to solve it. And in the third example, ask Fiona, she might find a solution. I consider that it is almost impossible, but ask her anyway. In order to express possibility, we have this list of modal verbs. The first one, must, is used for deduction. The second, can, for general possibility. Could, may, and might express different grades of possibility, and can to express that something is impossible. When we use must, we want to express deduction. We conclude that something is true because we have information about it. For instance, the woman wearing the white wedding dress must be the bride. It is 11 in the morning, so Jerry must be at school. Jill and Julie are sisters, and they are the same age. They must be twins. When we use can, we use it to express that something is possible and the general circumstances, I mean that it is a real situation and the many possibilities that something can be achieved. For instance, I can be home in 10 minutes may mean that I'm near home and it will take me 5 minutes walking to get there. It can rain tomorrow may mean that it is autumn and it rained yesterday and it is raining today. So it is very possible that tomorrow it is a rainy day. Children can be very noisy, and children love shouting and yelling and crying. We use could, may, and might to express possibility in specific situations. Could may mean that it is possible under certain circumstances, may that it is less possible, and might it is almost impossible. Could is used to express possibility under certain circumstances. For instance, I don't remember when I left my keys, but they could be on the kitchen counter, because I sometimes leave them there. And they could miss the train if they are not there in time. If you use may, it is less possible that something may happen. Lizzie is not at home, and she may be at the gym. And it is not very likely, because Lizzie doesn't go to the gym regularly. The translation may have mistakes. It means that I have checked the translations for mistakes, and I don't think it has, but perhaps I missed any. And if we use might, we think that something it is almost impossible. For instance, Donald Trump might change his mind about immigration. Or if you were the last man on earth, I might find you attractive. And we use can't to express that something is impossible. Jonas can't be Paul's brother because Paul is an only child. Or George can rent a house for £900 because he only earns £50. Ellie can't be 40 because she was born in 1970. Instead of using modal verbs, we can use the following alternative. To be likely, to be possible, to be certain, to be impossible, to be almost impossible, maybe or perhaps. But we have to bear in mind that these are not modal verbs. They are only alternative expressions to give the same meaning or very close meaning to modal verbs.